My name's Adrian Paynter. I'm the Business Development Manager here at Quelfire for the south of the country. I've been at Quelfire since September 2023. I've been in the construction supply industry since April 99 when I moved to the UK from South Africa. And I've been in the construction industry supply ever since that point, so for the last 26 years, mostly in the civils supply line, although I spent 8 years in the washroom fit-out industry, which was an interesting change. I used to work on some very big projects. So a very large project I got the order for in the washroom industry was the Coca-Cola headquarters in Uxbridge, so it was a very nice project to work on. In my next job, where I was in the industry, we installed in specialised products for planting trees into hard landscape. One of my biggest orders I got on that was for the new Everton football stadium. However, I saw this opportunity arise with Quelfire. It involved a change in direction, which really appealed to me, particularly getting into the fire industry. So I took the plunge and never looked back. Since Grenfell always knows, as we all know, is very topical. We all know about Grenfell, and of course fire is such an important thing. When you've had friends, etc. affected by fire, it makes it all the more important, and it's something that everyone is concerned about, of course. And to be involved in that industry to make things safe for people and for property is very rewarding. It's more than just a day-to-day job where you're supplying a product or a solution affecting people's and saving people's lives and property. And it really affects everyone. We all use buildings. Every building has to be protected. So it is a very rewarding industry to be in, should we say. The thing I enjoy the most about my role is really being able to educate people and being part of the change that the industry needs. So going out there, educating people as to how the industry is changing and how it needs to change, and educating people as to how Quelfire can help them on that journey of change, because there is so many factors and detail that needs looking into when it comes to fire stopping, and that's what we're there for. We're there to help our customers work through that detail and arrive at compliant solutions for their projects. It was, I'd have to say, a lot more technical than I perhaps gave thought to, which I can now, of course, see the reason for that and why that is the case. So it's about learning the products, but also about learning how they work in the various situations. I then took on the role of doing CPD presentations and installer training sessions. So my day-to-day now is really made up of being out of the office probably 3 days, maybe even 4 days a week, delivering CPD presentations or the Quelstop installer training session. When I'm in the office, I'm mainly trying to catch up from being out on emails and reaching out to new customers as well. And quite often we'll also include doing an online training session, either a CPD or an installer training session online. So it's very important that the sales team and the technical team work very closely together, and it automatically happens really because we have to work closely together. Technical is such a key part of the fire stopping world. A, that it's fast, the response is fast, and B, that it's always evidence-based, of course. And being in the sales side of things and having a very good technical team gives me the assurance to go out to customers knowing that they can lean on a technical team for any backup they require from a technical standpoint. Because essentially that is what often crops up when you go and see a client or go and see a customer, is they need that support from a technical standpoint. And that is something we offer at Quelfire and do it very well.